okay? You hold it just like this, and look, it's gonna go right under there. Can you reach? There you go. Put it right under, and now push it up, and then pull it down. Slide it up. A little higher. Can you get it? A little higher. And then we'll pull it down, and it turned green. And then pull this handle down and push, push with all your muscles. There you go. What do you think?
2 beds, 1 for you, 1 for me.
And if you look out the window over here, you'll be able to see the baseball field.
Wow, show us.
Here, I'll pull up the blinds so you can see it. There's the baseball field down there.
Wow.
Check it out. You can watch the game from here.
Oh my gosh.
You can see the game from here too, Mom.
I know. Get up there.
Want me to pick you up? Get you up there?
Yep.
All right. What do you think? Be careful up here. See the baseball game?
Yep.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Cora, you see any baseball players?
Yeah.
Where are they?
The right there on the green box. Right on the way. Right on the green stripes. There they are.
Let me look.
Yeah.
Yep, there they are.
Yep. And they're coming out and all of the baseball teams are coming out on 100 minutes.
Okay, let's get ready to go to the game. Say Camp Omni.
Camp Army.